Hello, I'm Cressy and I am down here in the show tunnel at Burncoose Nurseries. I'm just going to show you around a few things that we're going to be showing at this year's Chelsea Flower Show. Chelsea Flower Show this year we are celebrating 40 years of business, which is incredible. So we're doing a 10 by 10 stand, which if you know us, that's pretty big, but nothing on what we used to do. My grandfather, David Nucky, used to do shows all throughout his career, which were very, very big. So in appreciation of him and Burncoose, we have gone larger this year. So 10 by 10 is a pretty big stand to have to fill. So I'm just going to show you a few of the things that we're going to be on the stand, and to show you some of the preparation that goes into it. It takes a lot of work, a lot of repotting things, a lot of buying bigger things in. And yeah, so here we've got these incredible Fatsia green fingers, which will be on the stand this year, showing some bigger broadleaf evergreens to fill the massive amount of space we've got. We've also got the amazing Tetrapanics Rex, which are looking amazing at the moment, very much keeping an eye on them, making sure no pests, making everything sure it's all watered and lovely. We also are going to be showing a range of medium shrubs, so like these Crocus, the most amazing wire nettle bush with these beautiful yellow flowers. And this is actually a really lovely plant. It's been potted and fed, and just trying to keep everything really good at the moment. Lots of picking off slugs and keeping an eye on in here. So what else do we have in here? We're going to be showing a lot of Crocus, a lot of Alerias this year, which is pretty cool. So hoping that they come into flower. So just so beautiful. Unfortunately, I think these are going to be over, which is a bit sad. But you can't have everything you like, everything. And we've got our hostas, which are great. Definitely keep an eye on the slugs at the moment, making sure that they're all right. We'll just go over to the other side of the tunnel, and I will show you some more Alerias and some other things that we're hoping to show. So we are over on the sunny side of our show tunnel. Before we were in the sheltered side, and we are currently bringing things over from the sheltered shady side to here to try and force them, which just means we're trying to bring some more flowers on. We also have some things that always live over here, and one of them is this Aleria Salangio aurea, which is an incredible medium-sized shrub and does really well down here in Cornwall. The stock plants of this year's year are looking amazing. The yellow is beautiful. Alongside that, we've got the Crocus, which I mentioned before. So this is Sunsplash, and just this year they look so good, and they're just an amazing filler shrub. We've also got the eucalyptuses, which are doing really well, and the acacias. We have unfortunately got an acacia on the other side of the tunnel, which at the moment is in flower, so we don't think that's going to make it. It's just a wide selection of plants in here. We've also got some dodonias, some frailinias, some lophomertus, just lots of things going on. The pitto as well. It's going to be a wide range, as a massive stand you would expect. There's going to be paths and little twists and turns, potentially memorial benches, and lots to come. It's very exciting, and it's a very big stand, and we can't wait for you to come and see us there. So cheers.